What is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Hey there! You've probably heard people talking about cryptocurrency, right? Maybe names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin sound familiar. Some call it digital gold. Others call it internet money. But what really is cryptocurrency, and how does it actually work? In today's video, we'll break it down in the simplest way possible. No confusing jargon, just the basics that anyone can understand. Section 1. What is cryptocurrency? Let's start with the word itself. Cryptocurrency comes from two words. Crypto, meaning hidden or secret, and currency, which means money. So, cryptocurrency is digital money secured by cryptography, a method of protecting data so that no one can hack or fake it easily. Unlike the dollars or euros in your wallet, cryptocurrency has no physical form. You can't touch or hold it like a coin or bill. It only exists digitally. But you can still send it, receive it, and use it to buy things online. Now you might be thinking, but I already use digital money. What's the difference between crypto and the money in my banking app? Well, that's a great question. Traditional money is controlled by central banks. To transfer or receive it, you need a bank or payment platform. But cryptocurrency is different. It allows people to send money directly to each other without any middleman. That's called a peer-to-peer system. Section 2. A brief history of cryptocurrency. The story begins in 2009 with a mysterious person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto, who created Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. The idea was simple but revolutionary: to build a decentralized form of money, not controlled by any government or bank. People were frustrated with the financial system after the 2008 crisis. Satoshi's vision was a world where money belongs to the people, not banks or politicians. Bitcoin became the pioneer, and from there, thousands of other cryptocurrencies, called altcoins, were created, like Ethereum, Solana, and Ripple. Even though Bitcoin was meant to be used like everyday money, most people now treat it as an investment. They buy it hoping its value will rise, similar to how investors buy stocks. For example, someone who bought one Bitcoin in 2011 for $1 could sell it years later for tens of thousands of dollars. But of course, not everyone wins. Cryptocurrency prices can also crash quickly. Section 3. How does cryptocurrency work? Okay, here's where things get interesting. Cryptocurrencies work on something called blockchain technology. Imagine a digital notebook shared by millions of people. Every time someone makes a transaction, say sending Bitcoin to a friend, that transaction gets recorded in this notebook. But here's the catch. Once it's written, it can't be erased or changed. This makes it extremely secure. Every page of this notebook is a block, and each block is connected to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks, or blockchain. Now, who checks that the transactions are real? Instead of banks, computers around the world called nodes verify them by solving complex mathematical puzzles. This process is called mining. The people running these computers, called miners, are rewarded with new coins when they solve a puzzle. That's how new cryptocurrency enters circulation. Over time, some cryptocurrencies moved away from mining because it uses a lot of electricity. For example, Ethereum now uses a method called proof of stake, where people lock up their coins to help verify transactions. This uses much less energy than traditional mining. Section 4. Cryptocurrency as an investment. Now let's talk about the fun and risky part. Can you make money with cryptocurrency? The answer is yes, but it comes with a warning. Crypto is highly volatile. Let's look at an example. Bitcoin's price was around $500 in 2016. By 2021, it soared to $60,000, then fell below $20,000, and later bounced back above $70,000 in 2024. Those are massive swings. Why does this happen? Mainly because of speculation. People buy crypto hoping its value will skyrocket. But the same excitement can turn into panic selling when prices fall. Add government regulations, global events, and social media hype, and you've got the recipe for unpredictable prices. So yes, Cryptocurrency can make you rich, but it can also empty your wallet just as fast. Section 5. Common terms in crypto. Let's go over a few important words you'll hear a lot in crypto discussions. Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, often called digital gold. Altcoins, any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin, like Ethereum or Dogecoin. Wallet, a tool to store your crypto keys. It doesn't hold coins, but stores the codes that give you access to them. Hot wallets are online and convenient, but easier to hack. Cold wallets are offline and safer, but less convenient. Keys. The public key is like your wallet address, shareable with others. The private key is your password. Never share it. Fork. When a cryptocurrency splits into two versions due to disagreements among developers. Example, Bitcoin Cash was created from Bitcoin after such a split. Section 6, Pros and Cons of Cryptocurrency. Let's weigh both sides. Pros: decentralization. No government or central authority controls it. Accessibility. Anyone with the internet can use it, even without a bank. Fast and low-cost transactions. You can send money globally in minutes. Transparency. All transactions are recorded on a public blockchain. Potential for high returns. Some coins have multiplied in value dramatically. Cons: volatility. Prices can swing wildly. Scams and hacks, fake crypto sites and frauds are common. Lack of regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to handle crypto. Irreversible transactions. Once you send crypto, you can't get it back. Illegal use. Some criminals exploit crypto's privacy for money laundering or fraud. Section 7. Final thoughts. So, should you invest in cryptocurrency? The honest answer is, it depends on your risk tolerance and understanding. It's an exciting technology with real potential to reshape finance, but it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Before diving in, always do your research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and beware of scams. Remember, in crypto, knowledge is your best protection. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more finance and investment stories just like this. Thanks for watching. And remember, your best investment is always in learning.